Hello everyone. Today we will be making design by coding. So first we will be taking a basic shape here. So there are so many basic shapes given here, and from these we can choose anyone. So let's choose here torus. Okay, expand it, and what we will do, we will be taking this shape and then we will be modifying it. We will be using move and rotate block, and then we will be seeing that what we can get a meaningful shape out of this basic shape, and by modifying it. Okay, so let's start. And it's by default it's given radius for this torus is 7.5, sides 24, tube 2.5, and shape 16. So let's see what is this shape. Okay, so this is the shape we are getting. So we can tinker with this one. So let's make it a bit bigger. 30 radius we will be putting 30, and sides we want to make a polygon, so let's keep it 6. Okay, so we will see. So this is the kind of shape we are getting here. Now now let's change this one also. This one, one, let's put it one here. So it's very thin now, and so it's very thin. We can make it again, we can make 3. Okay, so, and how about 2? Let's make it faster. Okay, so this is the basic shape we are having. Now it's obviously its origin is here 0 0 0, and we can move it about y-axis, right? Like along the y-axis, moving it along the y-axis. This is x-axis, red color, green axis, green is y-axis. So let's move it, move, and let's move it by 40. So see, it is shifted in the plus y direction 40. And now what we will do, we will be rotating it also. So we want to see that how these blocks, by using these blocks and on the basic shape, what we are getting. So we can rotate it about x-axis. It's x-axis given, so let's see what will happen. 90-degree completely it will go vertical, so let's make it 45. So it's a 45. Okay, so this is the shape we are getting by two operations, move and rotate. So this is we are getting. Okay, now what we can do, we want to revolve, we want to get this kind of shape all around the uh, the origin. So it's if we move this one around z axis, then what will happen? And we want not one but many this kind of shapes. So what we will do, we want to move it in z direction. So we have to again go to rotate, and this time z, right? So z direction. So what we will do, here rotation 90 or whatever you want. If you leave it 90, then what will happen? Okay, so here what is happening, so we are getting just only one shape. Okay, so if we are making here 45, then okay, so we have moved it, we have rotated it around x-axis, and then we have rotated it around z-axis. So suppose we want many this kind of shape around the origin 0 0, then what we have to do? Then we have to suppose we have to, and one more thing here, we have to put it 0 0 0, otherwise it will rotate around it itself. So let's see how it happens. Okay, so this is the shape we are having now, and so this one we have rotated around x-axis, then we have rotated around z-axis, and then suppose we want we will be using now control. Okay, because we want many this kind of shape. So let's there are two options are here, repeat and count. So let's take the second one, because this is some more coding is already done, so we will be picking this one. Okay, so let's put it here. So it is saying it's a loop. It is saying that count with I from 1 to 10 by 1. So we are here, we are going value, we are changing the value of I from 1 to 10, and in its increment is 1 every time. So first I will be 1, then 2, then, but we are not using it here anywhere. I. So so what we will do here, let's go to data, and here I is there. So we can be using here, like let's take here this one. Okay, and I. Okay, so if we change I every time, if we change every time I by I into, suppose I into, let's make it 45. Okay, so first time it will be 45, second time 90, then third time 135, like this way. So rotate around. So first time, and so total 360 is there, right? So for complete circle, so total 8 times. So this is, let's make it 8. 45 into 8, 360. So in 8, if we move it 8 times, we will complete like the complete a circle. Okay, so okay, so this nice shape we are getting here. Okay, so see, we can change the color also. We can change the color, red color. Let's see. Okay, we can make it a bit slow. So what we can do here, this is we can put the value of n as 8, and here we are rotating about z axis, and here, so, and angle is I into 360 by n. So what will be the value of first time? So first time value will be I is equal to 1, and 360 by n, this is constant this time for taking one value of n. Here we are taking n for this program, so it is 360 by 8, so 45 degree. So first is uh, rotate around z axis by 45 degree. Second times what will happen, value of I will be 2, but this will be 360 by n, so this will be 45, so 90 degree. Third time it will be 135. Similarly, like we will go up to value of I up to 1 to n, means 1 to 8. So the last time value of I will be 8, and 45 into 8, 360. So in this way we will be completing the circle. So see here, this is the way